शुरू हो गई।
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
मैम
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm absolutely fine, beta. How?
I am good, ma'am. Thank you.
So nice to see you, all of you, once again here in the class. So,
Yes, ma'am.
how's everybody? Is fine, I think. Correct?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
That's nice.
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
फाइन मैम।
That's nice, ma'am. We should be fine.
हाय गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। यस मैम।
Okay. So students are joining. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes more, and then we'll be continuing. We'll be starting the first day of this basic level.
Okay, ma'am.
So I can see all students around. Total: Mohini, Indravati, Jinu, Monica, Priyanka, Pushpa, Sabia, Vaishnavi. Okay. I hope I have pronounced all the names correctly. Okay. So this is your first class. Basic level 1 first class. How are you feeling?
Excited, ma'am.
Excited. Exactly. Feeling बस भी wow, अभी थोड़ा सा और level improve किया है, 0 level से 1 में आ गए हैं, या फिर 1 level join किया है. That means we have started something again new. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
यस मैम।
Okay. चलिए फिर थोड़ी सी क्लास के बारे में डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं. आप लोग जो जूम पर क्लासेस लेते हैं, remember that you have to keep your mic mute and camera on, especially while performing. जब आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो तब तो आप कैमरा जरूर ऑन रखें. माइक आपको ऑफ रखना है जब तक आप कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हैं. अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, if you want to ask something, आप रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन इज वन ऑफ द रिएक्शंस ऑप्शन. आप देखिए आपकी स्क्रीन पर आपको रिएक्शन का ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा. आप जब रिएक्शन के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो आपको वहां पर यू विल गेट दैट रेज हैंड ऑप्शन. वो रेज हैंड ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो फिर पता चल जाता है दैट यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग, और उसके तरफ अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहें तो फिर यू विल बी परमिटेड एंड फिर आप आराम से पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज द वेरी बेसिक थिंग. लेकिन गुड इवनिंग, गुड बाय, टेक केयर, आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू, ये बोलते वक्त सब लोग अपना माइक एंड कैमरा दोनों ऑन रखें. डू नॉट टाइप इन चैट. ओके, जस्ट स्पीक. ओके, जस्ट स्पीक. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. ओके, चलिए. So first of all, as you know, this is our first class of basic level 1. This is spoken English basic level 1, जिसमें कि हम लोग spoken English के level 1 पर काम करते हैं, जहां पर you will be taught to speak English. If you are able to make sentences, you are able to somewhere speak also. थोड़ा बहुत आप बोलते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रहता है बोलने में. एंड ज्यादातर प्रॉब्लम कब आती है? जब पब्लिकली बोलना होता है. सो इन दैट वे व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप हमेशा दैट स्पोकन पर ज्यादा कमांड करने के लिए वी गेट इनटू दिस बेसिक लेवल. ओके, इतना अच्छा लेवल होता है जहां पर आप सब कुछ सीखते हैं, यहाँ तक कि यू लर्न टू मेक स्पेलिंग्स ऑल्सो, बट साथ साथ में स्पोकन इंग्लिश इज अ मस्ट. क्योंकि दिस इज द लेवल जहां पर हमको अगर थोड़ी भी इंग्लिश आती है ना तो भी हम स्पीकिंग शुरू कर सकते हैं. दैट लेवल इज दैट काइंड ऑफ लेवल, है ना. और आपको बिल्कुल भी परेशानी नहीं होगी. You will not have hesitation in any kind of, you will not have any kind of ये भी नहीं सोचना होगा कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे इफ आई स्पीक, इफ आई गेट रॉन्ग व्हाट पीपल थिंक अबाउट इट. सो डोंट वरी, यहाँ पर एवरीबॉडी, each and everyone has come to learn something. तो अच्छी चीज है कि कोई हंसेगा नहीं, अच्छी चीज है कि कोई मजाक नहीं उड़ाएगा किसी का. अच्छी बात ये है दैट आपको एक एम्बियंस, जिसको एनवायरनमेंट भी कहते हैं, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट, वो आपको मिलने वाला है. ठीक है, कोशिश करें अपने आप को सेटल करने की. try to speak English, try to write English, और जितना ज्यादा अपने आप को रीडिंग और लिसनिंग में टाइम देंगे, आपकी इंग्लिश अपने आप धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव होती जाएगी. अच्छा, इंग्लिश यहाँ पर मैं बात कर रही हूँ स्पोकन इंग्लिश की, कि जब आप इतनी सारी चीजें करते हैं ना, राइटिंग, रीडिंग, स्पीकिंग, एंड यहाँ तक कि लिसनिंग ऑल्सो, कुछ ना कुछ सुन रहे हैं, बातचीत कर रहे हैं तो वो सुन रहे हैं, that comes in that spoken way, वो सब आपके स्पीकिंग को इम्प्रूव करता है. तो आज तो कुछ स्पेशल जो हम आज करने वाले हैं, जो फर्स्ट डे हमें करना चाहिए भी, एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना, टू नो अबाउट ईच अदर, है ना, कि हम भाई क्या नाम है हमारा, हम कहाँ से हैं, है ना, और सो मेनी थिंग्स टुगेदर. तो मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स आपके सामने शो करने वाली हूँ. उन पॉइंट्स के बेसिस पर आप लोगों को अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. ठीक है, उससे पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे देती हूँ. थोड़ा ही दूंगी क्योंकि बाकी पूरा वाला मैं बाद में दूंगी. पहले आपको सुनूंगी फिर मैं दूंगी पूरा. सो माय नेम इज खुशबू, माय फुल नेम इज खुशबू तोमर, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी योर ट्रेनर. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं. वो पॉइंट्स जो आपने बताने हैं, है ना, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूँ अपनी. ये पॉइंट्स आप अपनी रफ नोटबुक में, या रफ नोटबुक मींस जो भी आपका पर्टिकुलरली यू नो रजिस्टर, कॉपी, नोटबुक, व्हाटएवर इट इज, आपको उसमें यूज करना है. आप उसमें लिख सकते हैं ये वाले पॉइंट्स को. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. Just give me a minute, just a minute. ओके, सो आई होप आप एटलीस्ट आपको मेरी स्क्रीन नजर आ रही होगी, है ना? आर यू एबल टू सी दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड जो इंट्रो पॉइंट्स आप लोगों को मेरे साथ डिस्कस करना है या अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना है, वैसे आप अपने तरीके से भी दे सकते हैं. अपने तरीके से मतलब जो पॉइंट्स आपको पता है, जो पॉइंट्स आप बताना चाहते हैं, आप अपने हिसाब से भी बता सकते हैं, बट आप लोगों को कोशिश करनी है कि आप मुझे कुछ इस बेसिस पर अपना इंट्रोडक्शन जरूर दें। ठीक है, सो दिस माई सेल्फ और माई इंट्रोडक्शन। यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने कोशिश किया है आपको वो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट देने की, वो पॉइंट जो आप जनरली यूज करते हैं अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में। पहला जो पॉइंट है दैट इज नेम, सेकेंड इज योर स्ट्रेंथ। स्ट्रेंथ जनरली स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता होती है, लेकिन ये वो टॉपिक है, ये वो एक पॉइंट है जो आप अपने बारे में बताते हैं कि आप किस तरह के व्यक्ति हैं। जैसे वहां पे एक छोटा सा आइडिया दिया हुआ है, आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट एंड हैप्पी, 2 वर्ड यूज किए हैं। आप चाहें तो कह सकते हैं खुश मिजाज, दैट इज कॉल्ड चीयरफुल, है ना। हैप्पी की जगह आप चीयरफुल भी कह सकते हैं, समथिंग न्यू। Then you can talk about your qualification, जिसमें आप अगर अभी भी पढ़ रहे हैं तो बताइए I am doing, I am studying, I am pursuing। pursuing का भी वही मतलब होता है जो doing का होता है। या फिर आप अगर ग्रेजुएट या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हैं तो फिर वो बताइए कि मैं ग्रेजुएट हूँ इस स्ट्रीम में, इस ब्रांच में, मैं इस ब्रांच में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हूँ। जैसे मैं इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हूँ, सो वो भी डबल पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हूँ। पहली बार समझ में नहीं आया था तो सेकेंड टाइम किया था, है ना। तो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट मैं इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में हूँ, आप वैसे बता सकते हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव। करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव हम वो बताते हैं जो हम अपनी जिंदगी में करना चाहते हैं। अब वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो एक छोटा गोल भी हो सकता है हमारा, लॉन्ग टर्म गोल भी हो सकता है, इट कैन बी शॉर्ट टर्म गोल ऑल्सो। लॉन्ग टर्म गोल अगर आप डिस्कस करते हैं, बताते हैं तो वो भी चलेगा, दोनों बताते हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म तो भी चलता है, दोनों चलेंगे। हाँ, हॉबीज बताएं, आपको क्या करना पसंद है अपने खाली समय में, व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज, बिल्कुल बताएं। एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली आपका होम टाउन, आप किस सिटी से बिलोंग करते हैं, किस स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हैं। क्योंकि यहाँ पर डॉक्टर इंग्लिश पर हमारे यहाँ ना वी हैव वेराइटी ऑफ पीपल, वी हैव unity in diversity, we have people from all over the India। और कहीं कहीं आपको एडवांस क्लासेस में कुछ फॉरेनर्स भी, फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स आई वुड से एनआरआईज, और फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स जो बाहर स्टडी कर रहे हैं या बाहर रहते हैं एंड इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं, यू विल गेट देम आल्सो। सो अल्टीमेटली यू शुड डेफिनेटली टेल कि आप कहाँ से हैं। एंड द लास्ट वन इज थोड़ा सा हमारे डिस्कशन बेस्ड है कि आपने क्यों ज्वाइन किया है डॉक्टर इंग्लिश पैरामाउंट। ये जो इंस्टीट्यूट आपने ज्वाइन किया है, ये जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आपने ज्वाइन की हैं, व्हाई हैव यू जॉइंड दैट, ठीक है। तो ये जो एक प्रोफार्मा है, एक छोटा सा सैंपल है आपके लिए, और मैं चाहूंगी कि आप है ना 2-3 मिनट लीजिए, जरा एक रफ पॉइंट्स तैयार कर लीजिए, और 5 मिनट के बाद में हम लोग हमारा पहला इंटरेक्शन शुरू करेंगे। आवर फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन इज इंट्रोडक्शन, ना। तो मैं चाहूंगी कि आप एक अच्छा सा स्टार्ट दें, इसको अपने बारे में अच्छे से बताएं। सोचने वाली जो चीज इसके अंदर है, ऑफ कोर्स हमारा इंट्रो है, हम क्या सोचेंगे, लेकिन क्योंकि इंग्लिश में है तो सोच लीजिए, आराम से तैयार कर लीजिए। एंड और जो आपका, आप किस तरह के व्यक्ति हैं ये भी सोचकर बताइएगा। इस पॉइंट को डू नॉट स्किप दिस पॉइंट, है, छोड़ना नहीं है इस पॉइंट को। चलिए, आपके पास में 5 मिनट हैं इस सैंपल से अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन तैयार करके उसे बोलने में, ठीक है। और क्योंकि इंग्लिश में बोलना है तो थोड़ा सा अच्छे से तैयार कर लीजिए। 5 मिनट है आपके पास। ओके चलिए शुरुआत करेंगे. Let's give it a start. Let's start with your first performance of this level. Okay, and आप लोग बस अपने ये सोचिए कि ये मेरा बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस होना चाहिए, बिना तैयार किए भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. Let's begin. Come on, raise hand option का यूज करेंगे and tell me who is gonna perform first. बताएंगे कौन सबसे पहले परफॉर्म करेगा. Who is starting? Okay, let's begin with Monica Shah. She is ready and she is gonna introduce herself. Yes, Monica. Unmute yourself, beta.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Good evening, everyone. My name is Monica Shah. My strength is I'm very creative. I'm very confident person. I'm little bit shy. That is my, you know what, that is not a strength, but yeah, sometimes strength is a very good in a shy, some portion of that. I'm basically, I'm postgraduate in commerce, that career object. I'm working in ICICI Bank currently, and in my future goal, my future goal is I'll try to be my own business, like some uh, boutique and otherwise classes. My hobbies is gardening, cooking, traveling. I liked very much to cooking actually. My hometown is I belong to Bangalore. That's it, my side. Thank you.
You have missed the last point. I have joined Doctor English Paramount. Tell me that objective. Why have you joined it? What is your requirement? What are you looking for? What kind of things are you waiting in here?
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for better English polishing. I understand what some other person what about talk about that in English, but I can't understand how to answer this. So I'm little bit lack of the confidence. Even I know that in banking, I'm last 5 years in there actually. Still, I'm not confident that that manager person is going smoothly mails and everything, but that level is lack of me, so that why is my growth is pushing me back foot. Like I'm not confident what other people are looking at, what she is telling. She is not understanding what she tell actually. So I need to grow with the language actually, and I need to confidence. Yeah, I can do actually.
Monica, what have you done in your graduation?
I'm done in the masters MCom.
MCom.
Yeah.
And what is your job profile in bank ICICI?
I'm basically handling a trade and forex division actually, in export and import divisions basically.
So
Corporate customers like, yeah, sorry, pardon.
Continue.
So I'm basically handling with corporate customers, dealing with corporate customers, import export divisions, what are the fund is received in foreign currencies, and guiding the transactions of what we are receiving the documents, what we need actually.
Okay. And when you are talking to them, when you are dealing with them, you must be you must require English, right? There, English communication.
Actually, what happened since last 4 years 8 months, I'm in Gujarat, so I don't need any polishing in English language, because of all the customers are in Gujarat level, and she can understand, they are understand in Gujarati. So local languages I know that, but recently I'm transferred in Bangalore, so I don't know actually local languages Kannada. Even I don't know properly in English, so I need that polishing actually.
That means you belong to Gujarat, and now you have been shifted to this Bangalore, and that's why you require that more. correct?
Yeah, it's must be because of even second person you don't understand Hindi, don't understand even Gujarati, and I don't know Kannada, so I can't how to communicate that. I'm very talkative person, but how can I express that?
That is the biggest problem, huh? You are talkative and you are not able to express yourself.
Yeah, that's the main issue.
Okay, okay. Fine, Monica. It's really nice knowing about you and your challenges, what you are facing right now. We will
Yes.
definitely work on that. Huh?
Yeah, thank you.
Actually, I just want to say that after listening to you, what I have come to know, what I have actually got to understand is that you are not lagging behind in any other thing except your English language. है ना?
Yeah, that is the issue.
You are
Even
quite
I'm
confident.
little bit shy. What about the other person is think about me? This is a very in the master person. It's a very well qualified person. She don't know even English, so that is my issue actually.
That English phobia somewhere that is there.
Yeah, that see in the 3 years, 2 years in the college time, I'll speak very well actually. But in the banking, in the work life, after that, I you know what habit is not punctually like communicate to every person and all. In college time I'll communicate every person in English, but right now it's I think a 4 5 years I'm not talking even English, so I little bit shy. I'm little bit oh, what other people is think about me.
Okay, understood. Okay, Monica, we will definitely work on that together.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah,
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Nice talking to you.
yeah.
Okay. After Monica, who is gonna be the next one? Okay, I can see Ginu here. Yes, Ginu.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, beta. Speak aloud a little so that I can hear properly.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. First of all, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. And my name is Jeenu. I am from Ramma, Punjab. I am studying BCA in first year, and I am self-motivated. My career goal is to get a job in a reputed company and and settle in life. And my hobbies are listening to music and painting. And I have joined Dr. English Paramount because I can improve my English more.
Okay,
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
thank you. Actually, Gino, you were in ABC batch level 0, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So after having that level 0, now you have come to this level 1. What kind of if you see any kind of improvement, what do you think of that? Do you really feel that you have become confident now, you have grown your confidence, or you are some changes are there? Can you explain what are those changes and how's your confidence now in English?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after joining ABC batch, I am confident little, and
Are you able to frame sentences? As earlier you were like little bit, somewhere you used to stuck in the middle while making sentences. Ab kya lagta hai? Now are you comfortable making sentences, or still the same problem goes on?
एक्चुअली मैम अभी ना थोड़े थोड़े सेंटेंस बना लेती है इंग्लिश में, ज्यादा नहीं.
ठीक है, लेकिन पहले से कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट लगता है या फिर लगता है कि
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
हम उस लेवल पर ही हैं?
नो मैम.
You find difference in your personality now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fantastic, Ginu. Okay.
Yes.
After talking, thank you so much, Vita. After talking to her, as I know about her because she has been our student here, so I would like to move to the next performer. and she's Priyanka. Let's talk to Priyanka here. Priyanka is also the student from 0 level. She has now joined to 1st level basic.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Hello,
Priyanka.
everyone. How are you, ma'am?
I'm absolutely good. You say, how are you?
I'm also good, ma'am. First of all, thanks, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Priyanka. My strength is I'm caring by nature. I'm helpful person, and I'm happy person. I have done my master's in human resource management from JJ University. My career objective is to be a good speaker. Uh, my hobbies, I like to go to long drive, listening music, and writing sometimes.
Okay.
My hometown, I'm from Hisar, Haryana, in India. I have joined Dr. English Paramount because I feel very weak because English is a very weak point for me. So I need to grow myself. That's
Okay.
all.
So Priyanka, the same question I have, what I asked to Jinu,
Yeah.
the same question I
Yeah.
have for you. What kind of difference do you find now?
I feel difference, ma'am, because I have joined the ABC batch. I'm confident, lack of confidence, and then and then I feel improvement.
Okay, that
Sentence
means
making.
sentence. Continue.
Mm,
Okay. That
yeah,
means now you can frame proper sentences the way you want them, correct?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I can feel that change in you, but I want to suggest you that you need to continue your practice every day, है ना?
Yeah,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
अभी भी
Yeah,
जो
ma'am.
एक अच्छी वाली कमांड आनी चाहिए वो अभी आना बाकी है ना?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
So work on that. Nice talking to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Next we have Mohit. Mohit is gonna give his introduction.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Mohit Dashora. I am from Devas. I am originally from Devas, Madhya Pradesh. My strength is I am a self-motivated, optimistic, and enthusiastic person. And in terms of qualification, I am a graduate and graduate in fire and safety management and post-diploma in industrial safety. My career objective is to shift in abroad, so that I have joined the Dr. English to clear IELTS and TOEFL exam, so that I started from 0 ABC level to improve my to learn basic terms, basic terminologies, and so many things about language. And my hobbies are traveling, driving, and playing cricket. And I belong, as I told, I am originally from Devas, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I am living in Bhopal. I am a safety officer in Procter & Gamble home MNC company in Mandidip, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And in terms of my 0 level class, I learned so many things from Khushbu ma'am. I cleared. I'm confident about tenses, prepositions, and whatever told by ma'am, like in terms of tense, I clear about all the types of tenses like past, future. Mm, so that's all, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I have one more question to you, Mohit. How do you find
Yes,
your
ma'am.
spoken now? Because some topics
Sorry,
you
ma'am.
have performed, some topics you have performed in your ABC level also, according
Yes.
to spoken English. So, do you find
Yes.
any kind of improvement in that also?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I learned so many things like actually I don't have clarity about prepositions like which type of preposition use at which place. So about prepositions, I learned so many things, and like in terms of tenses, I also learned.
Good. So now, have you started talking to your circle in English?
Currently, I am talking with my wife only.
That's wonderful. You have got a good companion for that, huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Great, great.
So
All the best.
so that we both are on a learning mode. So that is
Good, good. Nahi, that is really good.
which will be helpful for both of us.
Exactly. And it
Yeah.
is good to create that
And
environment at home also, no? That is good.
yes, yes, yes. And you know about the current situation of my personal life. So that she is not joining the class. But after when everything will be okay, then she will also join the Dr. English.
That's she's always welcome in that. And glad to know
Yeah, yeah.
that you both are learning together so that you have your own partner to talk with, you know. कई लोगों को
Yeah,
वही रहता है
yeah.
कि हम तो कोई है ही नहीं
Yes,
जिससे
yes.
इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, है ना?
Correct, ma'am. She is also
Okay.
lecturer in Mewad University.
That's nice. That's nice. Wow, that's great. Okay, so after listening to Mohit, after knowing about him, we have the next performer, Mohini. Come on, Mohini, your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
After Mohini, we have Pushpa ma'am. After Pushpa ma'am, we have Indravati. Then we have Vaishnavi and Pooja Goswami. I want all the ladies, all the girls to come forward and perform. And we have already one man army, Mohit, who had already performed. Okay. So now, Mohini,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
turn.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? I hope all are good. So this is Mohini. My full name is Mohini Rajput, and my strengths are I am happy and cheerful and humble person. And I have done BSc and I have done also BTC. It is a teaching certificate in UP. And currently I have short-term goals. I want to improve my spoken and written English. And my hobbies are traveling, listening to music, watching to movies, and reading to motivational books. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I have joined Dr. English app. Actually, I want to improve my spoken English. I somewhere I face so many problems. I understand everything, but I am not able to speak in front of other people. But when I joined Dr. English app, and I'm about I was in ABC level. So after that, I feel confident and I'm able to speak English in front of other people. Yeah, and I feel confident, and I write so many things in English, and I also read so many books in English. I read so many novels in English. So and I practice with my husband. He is capable to speak in English, and so yeah, ma'am. After joining Dr. English, so I feel confident.
Nice. I am so happy seeing you speaking so fluent English. You're speaking so wonderfully. Am I right, guys? Let's ask your own classmates. Am I right, guys? Huh?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Isn't she speaking
Yes, ma'am.
nicely? Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Because We have seen you from very beginning, you know, when you were at ABC, all of us will be there together. But now you, as I was speaking so fluently, I'm feeling so happy, you know. I am on cloud line like yeah, Roshni, Mohini has started speaking. पता नहीं रोशनी क्यों आता है, ठीक है.
No problem.
Okay, so okay, Mohini, it's really nice knowing that you are flourishing. Great, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we
And
have
thank you all of you.
thank you. We have Pushpa ma'am here in the class.